Astronomers just weighed the universe, and 85% of it is missing. Every star, every planet, and every galaxy we have ever mapped only accounts for a tiny fraction of reality. The rest is made up of a completely invisible, undetectable mass that is secretly holding the cosmos together. And physics cannot explain what it is. For decades, astronomers have been staring at galaxies and encountering a massive universe-breaking problem. According to the laws of physics, galaxies are spinning much too fast. If you measure the amount of visible matter in a galaxy like our Milky Way, there simply is not enough mass to generate the gravity required to hold it together at the speeds it is rotating. By every mathematical model we have, galaxies should be violently flying apart, scattering their stars into the dark void of deep space. But they do not. Something invisible, something completely undetectable to our eyes and our most powerful telescopes, is acting as a cosmic glue. It surrounds galaxies in massive, unseen halos, holding them together with an immense gravitational grip. Scientists call it dark matter. It does not emit light, it does not reflect light, and it does not block light. It only reveals its presence by the way its gravity pulls on the things we can actually see. We know exactly how much of it must exist to keep the universe intact, but when it comes to what it actually is, nobody knows. So what are the leading theories? For a long time, the favorite candidate among physicists was a theoretical ghost particle known as a WIMP, or a weakly interacting massive particle. These are hypothesized atomic particles that have mass but rarely interact with normal matter, meaning trillions of them could be passing through your body right now without you ever feeling a thing. However, after decades of building massive, ultra-sensitive underground detectors, we have yet to find a single confirmed WIMP. Another leading theory points to Axions. These are incredibly light, highly theoretical particles that may have flooded the universe during the very first moments of its existence. Or, as we discussed in our last video, the missing mass might not be a new exotic particle at all. Some researchers suggest it could be hidden inside trillions of primordial black holes, ancient microscopic objects formed at the dawn of time, scattered invisibly throughout the cosmos, betraying their presence only through their collective gravity. There is even a more radical theory called OND, or modified Newtonian dynamics. This theory suggests that dark matter does not exist at all, and instead, our fundamental understanding of gravity is just mathematically flawed when applied on a galactic scale. The truth is, dark matter remains one of the most profound and humbling mysteries in all of science. It is a constant reminder of how much of reality is still hidden from us, silently shaping the cosmos from the shadows. What do you think? Is dark matter an undiscovered particle, a swarm of primordial black holes, or do we simply need to rewrite the laws of gravity? Drop your theories in the comments below. Subscribe because next time we are looking at the exact opposite force, the invisible energy that is actively tearing the universe apart.